In today's competitive job market, a compelling CV is your golden ticket. It's not just a document, it's your first impression. A well-crafted CV can open doors to interviews and job offers you never imagined. Every waiter or waitress CV should include key sections like personal details, work experience, and skills. These elements are crucial in painting a complete picture of your professional journey. Highlighting relevant skills such as customer service and multitasking is vital. Tailor your CV to emphasize your strengths in hospitality, ensuring it aligns with the job you're applying for. Your personal profile is your chance to make a strong first impression. It's where you articulate your career aspirations and goals, giving employers a glimpse of your potential. Employers seek specific skills in a waiter or waitress, such as adaptability and communication. Present your work experience to demonstrate your value, using data to quantify achievements. Showcase your ability to handle fast-paced environments and your knack for enhancing customer experiences. These are the qualities that make you an asset to any team. Consider adding sections like awards and references to enhance your CV. Incorporate transferable skills from other experiences to showcase your versatility. A professional CV is not just about content, but also presentation. Use clear formatting to make your CV visually appealing and easy to read. Templates can enhance its overall look. Now, take action, update your CV with CVMaker today and open doors to new opportunities.